Section 2 underway. And it's a sprint to the first 120 meters. These young men trying to establish position early on. As they come around the bend, hitting the home stretch. It's hit number 18, Carter Anthony. Followed by hit number 6, Sawyer Kerrigan. Number 7, Bennett Skeen. Carter Anthony, the H-Town Hurricanes. Coming up on 3 laps to go, 57 seconds with the first 300 meters. Anthony comfortable up front now with a bit of a lead. Of course, there's plenty of track left with 3 laps remaining, 1,200 meters left. Carter Anthony, 57.84 through the first 300. Officially, Bennett Skeen looking for a 5. So far into the 400 meters. Roughly 124. Now out front, the orange and black kit, that's hit number 7, Bennett Skeen. There's a chase pack of 6 behind Skeen to come around toward the water jump pit. Skeen challenged by hip number 8, Tate Schupbach. Schupbach now taking the lead, continuing the surge to create some separation from his closest competitors, thus far successfully, as they come up on 2 laps to go. 2:36 on the clock, and officially 800 meters remaining in the second section of our 3-section 800 boys 1500. Tate Schupbach, Northwest Indian Track Club. And Skeen still positioned on second. Skeen representing Martin Flowers. So come up on 800 meters on official with 3:04. I think that's 3:02. Schupbach followed closely by Skeen. And third, Zayden Felder, hit number 5. Goes behind him and hit number 6, Sawyer Kerrigan. The field's strung out, but still tight. Plenty of opportunities remaining. 5 young men still within range of our current leader, Tate Schupbach. The old blue kid coming around the bend. Now moving in the second, hit number 4, Pierce Burke. Burke will take his turn, chasing Schupbach. They build the momentum for the bell lap. Tate Schupbach and Pierce Burke, 4:16 on the clock. Pierce Burke taking the lead. Tate Schupbach on the shoulder, now retaking the lead. So it's Tate Schupbach in the all blue, Pierce Burke in the green. 4:39 at 1,200 meters. Schupbach and Burke down the middle of the back stretch. Setting itself up to be a very interesting last 200 meters. Coming up on half a lap to go. 200 meters, 5:02 on the clock. Less than 200 to go now. Pierce Burke Edging ahead of Tate Schupbach. And Burke with a big push at the scoreboard, trying to drop Tate Schupbach with 120 meters to go. Schupbach gathering himself for the sprint. Pierce Burke still out front. This is Pierce Burke. Pierce Burke taking the lead with just under 400 meters to go. And he will successfully take section 2. Pierce Burke, 5:46.30, personal best for Burke.